Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can mark sales invoices or customer invoices as paid. To mark invoices as paid, we can go through two ways or two places. They're both on sales. So firstly, we can go to sales overview section, and here select an invoice by scrolling to right hand side and click on receive payment. There would be summary of your invoice at the top, and we can now mark this invoice as paid by selecting date when we have received money. So for example, today, select the bank account in which account we have received money in. So for example, I received in current account, and the amount is automatically showing 185. But if you just received partial amount, so for example 100, you can add 100 and receive payment. There is still 85 outstanding from total amount. Click receive payment, and we can record second part of a payment. It's the same bank account and 85 and received payment. So when I click on this invoice, payment would be recorded here under payment details. Okay. Other way to mark invoices as paid is going through receive payment section under sales. And here, for example, 1009, invoice number 1009, need to receive payment. Click on receive payment, and you're presented with the same pop-up template as if you would go from sales overview tab. So I will select today's date. I will select a bank account. So for example, business account 225, and receive payment. So in this episode, I showed you how you can mark sales invoices or customer invoices as paid on MyT accounting software. If you have any questions or if you require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.